Hello everyone, I want to present you our research entitled Homogeneous Terrain of the Kalibaba Debris Avalanche Deposit, Lombok Island, Indonesia. Debris Avalanche Deposit or DAD is one of the phenomena or process that can be modify the landscape surrounding the volcano. The effect can be reached in the distal facies. The debris avalanche deposit is typically distinguished by the homogeneous morphology. This homogeneous morphology identification is useful for several purposes. For example, to interpret the mechanism and then calculate the direction and also calculate the magnitude of the sector collapse that resulting the debris avalanche deposit. In Indonesia, we know that debris avalanche is only few researchers that study about it. We can find several studies such as in Raung, Papandayan, and Galunggung volcano, but all of them is only a brief discussion. And then we found that in Lombok Island there is a massive homogeneous hill resulting, this is our suggestion, this is our assumption, preliminary conclusion that this homogeneous terrain is resulting from the sector collapse of Samalas volcano before its total collapse eruption in the 13th century. But until now we can yet identify the exact age of its formation. So this is the first research of us to identify for the first time the geomorphological characteristic of the homogeneous hill in the debris avalanche deposit. This debris avalanche deposit or homogeneous hill indeed located in the Kalibaba geological formation that consists of breccia, mostly breccia, but in some part we can find lava. And for the homogeneous identification, we use the DEM digital elevation model from DEMNAS, and this is available freely, and you can download it at this link. And for the characterization of the homogeneous hill, we identify several variables such as the number of hammock, distance to source, slope, its area, relative height, topographic section, and the friction coefficient, H per L and V per L. In this study, we also adding a new characteristic for homogeneous hill characterization. We call it the homogeneous spreading shape. And this is the result of our study. The first is the Kalibaba debris avalanche deposit characteristic. First, we found that the distribution of the homogeneous hill is extend in the southern part of the volcano, especially in the volcano Rinjani volcanic complex, which extend between 18 to 36 km from its source, the Samalas summit, former Samalas summit. And then we assume that the travel distance in this location is similar with the other volcanoes such as in Wang Hieu, Rupa Hieu volcano, and this ridge is farther than the San Helen. This is the very famous debris avalanche in the San Helen and Bezimiani or any debris avalanche in Japan. So this travel distance of the debris avalanche in our study area is classified far reach to the distal facies. You can see in the map that it is reach close to the sea. And then the second is morphology homogeneous is remarkable compared to the other location, non-homogeneous hill or non-DAD, and the boundary is marked by the sudden break of slope. We can see in the picture A and B that the contour line is very different. And then you can see also the topographic profile ABC, that the debris avalanche deposit is different with the flat area or the non debris avalanche deposit, because we found that the debris avalanche boundary is not always coincided with the hammock. You can see that the yellow point is hammock, and then the dashed line is the debris avalanche boundary. This is not coincided because it is typically form a piedmont in the tile of the DAD. And then this drainage density or river characteristic is very distinct between the DAD and non-DAD. In the DAD, the drainage density is very rare, but in the non-DAD is relatively dense. And then it is also characteristic by the characterized by the increasing of the stream order due to many river confluence in the tile of the DAD deposit. And then we calculate the friction number. The friction coefficient of H per L in our study is 0.13. We can see in the table the comparison from the Bezimiani, St. Helens, and SHV. We can see that the friction number is relatively low. This is indicate that the mechanism of the emplacement in our study area is mostly influenced by the slide and lateral spreading, because it is indicated from the lower H per L ratio. This is similar with the St. Helens and Bezimiani. We found that the number of the H per L ratio is mostly same with the other two volcanoes. But the volume of the DAD in the Lombok Island is more than or higher than three other example, such as in Bezimiani, St. Helens, and SHV. So the other friction number, the V per L in Kalibaba DAD, is indicate that the process of the emplacement is mostly influenced by the spreading process, because the V per L ratio is lower, so the sliding process is dominant. This is not similar with the other three example. The other three, like in Bezimiani and St. Helens, is mostly characterized or influenced by the sliding process, but in our study is mostly characterized by the spreading process. And recently, the biggest DAD in Indonesia is found in Raung volcano, but our result is suggest that this DAD is supposedly to be the biggest, but this is still ongoing research. And this is also our new characterization of the Humoki Hill. We connecting the outermost of hammock from its source, and this is the shape of the spreading shape. We compare to other four Humoki terrain, such as in Japan and Mexico. Compared to other, our result is farthest than the other. So this method can be describe the shape of the hummock spreading shape. And then we also calculate the morphometry characteristic. The first is the number of the hummock. We calculate from the DEMNAS data, and we found the number of the hammock is 700 more hills, and this result is underestimated because we think that the number of the hammock is higher due to the quality of the dam. Maybe if we calculate it with the census method, it might be reach 1000 hill, we believe. But this number is still higher than 13 other in Japan, but less than 3 other like in Kisakata, Urabande, and Okinajima. And then we also calculate the weight and the area of the hammock. The widest is 21 hectare and the smallest is 0.1 hectare. Generally, the area of the hammock, each hammock is mostly similar or relatively similar with the Japan's such as in Urabande, Kisakata, and other, and predominantly the area is below 10 hectare. Only a few that its size bigger than 10 hectare. This is the example of the biggest hammock and the smallest hammock in our study area. The height of the hammock is also relatively similar, both in the nearest or the farthest reach of the hammock is mostly characterized by the 10 to 20 meter height. Based on our result, we conclude that the chemomorphological characteristic of the Kalibaba DAD calculate for the first time from at the two scale different. The whole DAD deposit, for example, we calculate the distance to source, the surface, the volume, the ratio H per L and V per L, and spreading shape. Characteristic of the whole DAD, but we also calculate the individual hammock, for example, the number of hammock, the height of hammock, the area of hammock, and slope and shape of hammock. And then the Kalibaba DAD is much larger than many of well-studied similar events, suspect to be the largest event in Indonesia. But this is our preliminary research. This need a further analysis and still ongoing. And the last is the Kalibaba deposit is indicate a great mobility due to the spreading process. So our result is conclude that the mechanism of the emplacement debris avalanche is influenced by the spreading process.